Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online class. Today we will discuss about some terms related to the light. In last class already we have discussed what is the light. Okay. Some terms that is related to the light. Okay. Here it is given. As I have written your name: optical medium, homogeneous medium, heterogeneous medium, transparent medium, translucent medium, opaque body. Okay, and some more are also there. We'll discuss it later. Okay, so light, we know that now light is a invisible energy, is a type of invisible energy which help us the sensation of sightning. Light does not requires a medium, requires a medium, any medium for the propagation or for the what travels from one point to other points. Clear? Okay. Without any medium, light can traverse in the vacuum also. So here, what is this mediums or these terms in case of light? How we can define these terms? Optical medium, heterogeneous medium, homogeneous, transparent, translucent, opaque medium. Optical medium, optics. This is the word optical, comes from the word optics. It means the word light. It's the word light. Optical mediums. This it means the material or substance or a medium, you can say that, through which a light energy can pass through easily, partially or wholly or completely. A material or a substance or a matter through which light energy can easily pass through, partially or completely. That is called optical medium. For example, vacuum, air, glass, water. Okay, these are some examples of the optical medium. Some other mediums also there that are called, here we discuss of opaque body, like the wood, okay, cloths, iron. Okay, so these are the optical mediums, which a material or a substance which allows to pass through the light, okay, or through which the light energy can easily pass through, partially or completely. Now, the next one is what? Homogeneous medium. What are the homogeneous medium? Means pure substance. Homogeneous medium is material like pure substance. Means you can say that distilled water, okay, diamond, pure alcohol, glass. Vacuum means those mediums or material or substance which allow the light ray pass through them completely. Those are called what? Homogeneous medium. Pure substance or homogeneous medium. Heterogeneous medium, those material medium or substance is do not allow completely, or you can say that it is mediums which has a different composition of molecules or atoms, means impure substance. It is the impure substance materials or medium. For example, impure substance, muddy water, okay, air, mist, fog, clouds, smokes. So here air, you know that here air, mixture of different gases in atmosphere. Air is present now. There are the mixture of different gases. Muddy water, mixture of waters and some other dust particles. Clouds also. So this is the impure substance. These are the impure substances or impure heterogeneous medium. So by which the light ray cannot pass through completely, partially can pass, or some part of the light reflect back. So here in case of, we will discuss later, irregular reflection takes place. Now, transparent medium, just homogeneous, just into the transparent medium, means the substance or a medium or a material medium which allow the light pass through them completely. Transparent medium, like glass, clean water, glass, clean water, a medium which allows most of the light energy to pass through. It is called transparent medium. Okay, clear glass, layer of water, clear layer of water, diamond, air, vacuum, and certain kind of other material medium. Next one, translucent. Translucent. Next one is translucent medium. Translucent medium. This is the medium. What? A medium which is partially allows the light energy to pass through it. It is called translucent medium. For example, that is the oil, paper, clouds, means that is related to the heterogeneous. Is the part of, or you can say that this is the just same as the heterogeneous medium or translucent medium, which allow the only part of the light pass through them. Clouds, butter paper, eye paper, tissue paper, these are the examples of the translucent medium. Okay, students. Next one is opaque body. Opaque body. Here, those bodies which do not allow the light energy to pass through them are called opaque body. Like this chalk. It will not allow any amount of energy to pass through it. Okay? When the light ray falls on it, completely reflect back. Reflect back. Wooden piece, iron, okay? Stone, bricks. These are the example of the opaque objects. All those objects or material is not allowed to pass through the light energy through them. Okay, students. So these some terms related to the light energy and some more or remain that we will discuss in next class. Like this: what is the point source of light, extended source of light, ray of light, beam of light, parallel beam of light, convergent and divergent beam of light. These we will discuss, these some point or remain in next class. Okay, students. So go through these topics through the book, try to understand, fill out. You can ask in the next class. Okay, students. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Optical medium. Substance surrounding a source of light through which light travels is called optical medium. Types are transparent medium. Light passes completely through this medium. Example: air, water, glass. Translucent medium. Light passes partially through this medium. Example: tracing paper. Opaque medium. Light cannot pass through this medium. Example: wood, wall, metals.